How to change your age on Instagram. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your account and then tap onto your profile. You will see a page like this. Now, in order to access the age section, tap on three bar icon. Then tap on Accounts Center. Here under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Then here you will see birthday. Tap it. As you do so, tap on Edit here. Now it will give you two options, this and this. It says that if none of these are correct, please contact us to request a birthday change. Tap on Contact Us. If you can simply edit, go ahead and do so, but if you cannot, you have to tap on Contact Us and simply follow these instructions in order to request your change of birth date. It says, have you previously added a birthday to your Instagram account? Click yes or no according to your preference. Then tap on this year here and follow up this form, tap on Send. And now just like so, this is how you can change your age. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.